Step into the 2009 Jaguar XF. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are climate control, leather seats, traction control, passenger airbag, navigation system, MP3 player, power mirror, rear bench seat, and passenger airbag sensor. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.